Hey everyone, as part of tricky interview programming questions, today I am coming with one of the most asked interview question, I would say. So here the interviewer will give you two inputs. One input will be list of integers, and then he will give second input as a one number. So we need to find the two elements or two numbers which is matching with the sum of the given second parameter, I would say. So in this given example, right, if you see uh, 2 comma 7 together will give 9, and 5 comma 4 together will give 9. So you need to print these two combinations. Okay, so whenever interview ask this question, right, don't immediately go and jump and go write the code. So ask your question to interviewer, so what are the combinations will be there, and what is the approach you are going to think, you're going to think, right, and in your mind. So and then go and start the interview, answer the question, or maybe writing the program. Okay, but most of developers, what they do, whenever they heard this question from interviewer, right, so uh, they just do kind of the basic question, I mean basic answer. Let's say I'll give an example. So what they do, simply they'll took two for loops. One for loop is a kind of a parent for loop, there where they used to iterate 1 2 3 something like that, and then they have a one more nested for loop. So now they, what they will do, they will check 1 with 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 9 or not. If it is equal, then they will print. Otherwise, again 1 plus 3, 1 plus 7, 1 plus 9, 1 with 5, 1 with 4, similarly like that. Once this nested loop is done, then the loop will come to the main loop, and then cat will 2. Again with 2, again they will try to compare with all the numbers. Similarly, 3 with remaining numbers, 7 with remaining numbers, likewise. So uh, actually this type of answers, right, so program, actually we call it O, the time complexity of O of n square. Okay, so yes, it's right that you will get the output, correct, but if you write such type of code, right, so the probability of hiring you is very less, because here if you see uh, as of now, assume that we have the length of 7 integers, right. What if the integer length is like in huge, let's say in thousands, or maybe in lakhs, then this function will be right, this logic will be right now hang, it might hang as well, right. So instead of that, I'll give you one more approach. Okay, so the second approach, in this second approach, what I am doing, I am trying to do, yes, I need to take for loop, because I need to iterate through the no, list one by one. That's one thing. And then second, what I am doing here, right, I'm not using any nested for loop. Instead of that, what I am doing here, I'm doing target minus the current number. So let's say for example target is 9, correct, and then the current index is 1, right. So 9 minus 1 will be 8, correct. So now what I'll do, I'll check this 8 is available in this list or not. So nums dot contains 8 or not. If it is 8 available, then I'll try to print 8 is available. Okay, since 8 is not available, it go to the next number, so it will go to the 2. Then it will check 2 minus 9, 7. So 7 is available in this list, yes, it's available. So the first output will be 2 comma 7, correct. Similarly it go, and similarly for 5, right. So it check 5 of 9 minus 5 is nothing but 4, so 4 is available, right. So 5 comma 4 will be printed. So this is actually that if you talk about the time complexity of this program, right, it is nothing but uh, sorry, let me write in comments of n. Okay, see now how much time we have been reduced, right. So earlier we have is two nested loops, but here I am doing with only single for loop, I am achieving this. So you need to always think certain elements, right, time and space, then go and write the code. Hope you understood this answer. Thanks.